My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief entertainer. We'll begin to door in a few minutes, but first I'd like you to come to some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat. Store all carry-on items in the under seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. Because smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling.
You guys aren't coming.
Nice work, pal. Soon you'll be here. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. Attendants, seat, seatbelt, carrying items, and restraint, fear of heights, keep your hands out inside all times. Yeah, have a nice one.
Before you board, we have a few safety reminders. Seatbelts go left to right. Smaller aviators who don't reach the red marker on the back of the seat will put the seatbelt through the center strap. Larger bags will be placed off to the side of the designated areas. Loose fitted shoes can stay on the ground, and any personal items you are holding must be held tightly. Have a nice flight.
Soarin' to Tower. We are ready for takeoff. the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the under-seat compartment and exit to your right. Have a great stay here at EPCOT or wherever your final destination